Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time, if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss about today's market updates. Iran and Israel war tensions getting its peak. Israel has conducted strike against Iran near Isfahan's airport. But Iran claims that explosion heard in Isfahan was a result of activation of Iran's air defense system. Meanwhile, US officials claim that Israel carried out a retaliatory strike against Iran on 19 April. War impact on Indian markets around 10 a.m. on 19 April. 19 sectorial indices are traded in red. 54 stocks hit their lower circuits. Sensex is down by 608 points to 71880. Nifty slipped 173 points to 21882. Investors' wealth shrinked by 4.18 lakh rupees core. After a steep sell-off at the opening tick, Indian benchmark indices scripted a solid rebound during the trading session on Friday as the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, supporting the crude oil prices and India votes for the first round of election on 19 April. BSE Sensex is up by 599.34 points, that is 0.83%, and settled at 73,088.33 points. Nifty 50 is up by 151.15 points, that is 0.69%, and settled at 22,147.00 points. Bank Nifty is up by 504.70 points, that is 1.07%, and settled at 47,574.15 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is down by 298.75 points, that is 0.61%, and settled at 48,696.95 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 15.95 points, that is 0.10%, and settled at 16,270.40 points. Shares of Fortis Malad Hospital are set to turn ex-date next week on 23rd April. The small cap company operating in hospitals and allied services announced a dividend of 40 rupee per equity share for its shareholders. The dividend will be credited to the account of the shareholders, or the dividend warrant in respect thereof will be dispatched within 30 days from the date of its declaration. The Consumer Affairs Ministry on Friday said it has asked the food safety regulator FSSAI to investigate the composition of Nestle's Cerelac baby cereals sold in India, amid a global report that claimed the company was adding higher sugar content in the product. Shares of Elecon Engineering Ltd jumped 12.80% to hit their one-year high of 1,197 rupees and 55 paise. Reasons behind the rise are: Elecon's consolidated net profit for the fourth quarter financial year 24 came at 103.65 crore rupees, up 52.56% from 67.94 crore rupees in the same period last year. The company's revenue from operations rose 33% to 564.62 crore rupees in quarter 4 financial year 24 from 424.54 crore rupees in quarter 4 financial year 23. Prayasvi B. Patel, Chairman and Managing Director of Elecon, said, "We are delighted to share that Elecon has delivered its highest ever revenues of 1,937 crore rupees, up by 27% year-on-year, and highest ever profit after tax of 356 crore rupees, indicating a growth of 50% year-on-year for financial year 24, which is a testament to our commitment to innovation and customer needs." The company has proposed a final dividend of 2 rupee per equity share, subject to shareholders' approval. Elecon has also proposed stock split from 2 rupee per share to 1 rupee apiece. KP Green Engineering Limited share has hit an upper circuit of 5% and closed at it after good quarter 4 financial year 24 results. Company's quarter 4 net profit 242 million rupee versus 50 million rupee year-on-year. Company's quarter 4 EBITDA 334 million rupee versus 90 million rupee year-on-year. ITC Limited signs MOU with Turkish Engineering Consulting and Contracting, TUMAS India for partnership and collaboration in public transportation and infrastructure projects in India. ITC wholly-owned subsidiary ITC Infotech India entered into a share purchase agreement to acquire 100% shares in BlazeClan Technologies Private Limited. The acquisition will be done for a cash consideration of 485 crore rupees and is expected to be closed in the next 6 to 8 weeks. BlazeClan is a partner with AWS, Snowflake and has expertise in cloud migration and digital services. This acquisition is expected to augment ITC Infotech's capabilities to service its customers in a multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environment. Indus Towers signs MOU with NTPC Green Energy to address the need for pacing green energy objectives and the government's efforts towards a carbon-neutral economy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.